Lesson 7, Daily Places or Places in Town. Here are the vocabulary words. A building, a building. A house, a house. A flat, a flat. A square, a square. The market, the market. A station, a station. A bus station, a bus station. A park, a park. A museum, a museum. A theater, a theater. A cinema, a cinema. The hotel, the hotel. Coffee, coffee. A shop, a shop. A restaurant, a restaurant. A bar, a bar. A pub, a pub. An airport, an airport. A beach, a beach. A road, a road. That's it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.